we've collected over the years.
Ellie's instincts are bang on.
Believe me, once we finish, it's going to be the most popular kitchen in Tunbridge Wells.
Nick and Ellie's wedding crockery will be my inspiration for their new look kitchen and dining room with 1930s touches and Ellie's textiles designs from her business. These kernels will restart the heart of their home, and I've got 8 weeks to get it beating strongly. In the kitchen,
have you broken another feather, Cinnamon? Silly boy.
Colours were a hit in the 1930s because newly fitted electricity.
Look at it, just hanging off, boy. Tidy yourself up and pull it out.
Will transform their dining room with natural materials,
Good boy.
clay for crockery and willow for table settings,
Good boy.
all tying in with their rustic dresser. Both rooms harmoniously connected in a 1930s country style.
Nick and Ellie's kitchen leaves a lot to be desired, but I think one way of perking it up would be a kitchen blind. Something really special, so I'm off to meet textiles designer Zena Shah, who's going to help me with it.
Zena's a specialist in creating home accessories and is showing me how to transfer Ellie's design of a duck onto